And Dad kisses Mom?
Yeah, and then get naked and do it downstairs.
Oh, they get naked and then do it downstairs?
Yeah.
Oh.
What does that mean?
And
What are they doing?
don't kiss and they get naked.
And they get naked?
And they went downstairs.
And they went downstairs after they got naked?
Yeah.
Tommy, am I your girlfriend? Yeah?
Do you want to get naked with Lindsay?
But not right now.
Not right now. Do you want to videotape her doing a hug?
Yeah.
Can you give me a hug? This is my boyfriend. Can you give me a kiss on the cheek? Aww, thank you, Tommy.